YouTube. We're gonna try to do this song Opaline. It's by Tweedy. It's in F. Tweedy. It's in F. I hear the police outside my window. Can hear them talking on the radio. I keep my head underneath my pillow. Really gonna leave me alone. That's basically it. Let's talk about how to play it. I'm playing the F bar chord. I think Tweedy plays it like this. So it's kind of like the simplified F shape with your thumb getting the bass note. You could also just play the simplified F shape. Maybe throw your pinky in there. But if you play it like this, you can't play the low note unless you get your thumb over there. So it starts several measures in F. Then it goes to E, A minor. Goes to G minor. I was playing it like this. This is a G minor 7. But it's just a passing chord though. You can just play it like this. That's probably the easiest way. This is the... When you play it like this, you mute the 5th string. Pinky in there, you can get the D string. Then it goes to F, and then finishes up on the B flat. You can also play the B flat like an A note. Just take your A and move it up 1 fret. Then back after that, it goes back to F and repeats. F, 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 A minor, G minor, F, B flat. So that repeats twice, and that makes the verse, and then the chorus is D minor. Oh, and before we go on to the chorus, let me just talk about the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, 3, and it's like a 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and something like that. It's like a triplet kind of shuffle feel. 2, 3, and 3, 3 and 4, 3. It says triplets, and it's kind of a shuffle. You're gonna listen to the recording, and it's kind of like strum once, and then once. Like that. So the chorus is, and when you go into the chorus, you want to kind of keep that, even though you're using different chords, you want to keep that. So he's saying D minor, just D minor, O, O, H, O, H, Opaline. So it goes D minor, F, B flat, kind of hangs on that B flat, and then it goes to C. And it ends on the F. He's like, the second one is Opaline. It's hard to see reality. It's kind of like a Johnny Cash line. When you got no one to love, goes to F. You could go up though. See reality. When you got no one to love. Alright, and I think that's pretty much it. There's a steel guitar playing in the background. But because this is in F, you could play at the 10th fret. You could play your minor pentatonic that you may already be familiar with. But we're playing, so that's the D minor here, but it's functioning as the F major scale. Because your D minor is the relative minor of F. So it's a 3. You know, what you do is you just take a, like we say this is an F. So you just count down 3 steps. 1, and that's the relative minor. Play the minor pentatonic over the major, its relative major, which is F. It sounds like a major. Do any of those kind of bending licks. Call them steel pedal licks. Do so that's where you'd want to probably explore for your soloing. And you could play it here too. Your your 17th fret, but your root is going to be in the 5th string. So we look up the diagram of the 5th string root pentatonic. If you're not sure what that looks like, the B string is different. It's shifted up 1 fret. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. Bye.